spice and the anise.
Yo, what's up? No.
Oil.
Yeah.
I don't know what this is. Some kind of flavoring. Woo! She ready. It's time. Get this mukbang started. Welcome guys to Vlogmas Day 19. You've seen us shopping around at H Mart and now we about to eat.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so the big thing that I ordered was a hot pot. It has a grill on top. You seen how I set it up? It's boiling, 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 boiling. Careful. Yes. So we have some faux noodles, and I cooked them. They take a minute to cook. I just dipped them in the hot boiling water. So we have some of that. What do you got over there? Side?
Different types of mushroom. We got some we got a large mushroom here. We got oh my gosh. Her mind is going dirty because the mushroom is you know. And we got the small thin mushrooms and the medium sized mushrooms. And we got here some bulgogi beef. Chose this out from the H-Mart. H-Town. I keep saying that. The H-Mart. You know, we have to cook this, put it up on top there. You know, let it sizzle.
Let it sizzle or let it grill?
Let it sizzle.
What else? What else? Butter?
We have some seasoned crabs. Like these are side dishes here. It's seasoned crab meat. No, it's just crab, like the small crabs, like baby crabs. And some anchovies seasoned. Both of these are spicy. We have some kimchi. We have some pickled radish.
This is the kind of radish you usually see like on the side of your kimbap. We have some tofu here. I like tofu. I'm going to put it inside the soup. And we have some beef. I think it's a ribeye or something like that.
Right.
So let's get it in, y'all. So earlier today, you guys, I wasn't feeling too good. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know what's wrong with you. I don't know what's wrong with you, girl. There's a lot going on. Let's put some of these mushrooms in here. So what made me get this is the first person I seen use this was Tay and Lou, and then Steph and Tasha used it, and it looked so good that I wanted to try it out.
And we love Korean food, so this is right up our alley to use it.
Yes. So we got the same kind of base that I guess Steph and Tasha got. I ordered everything straight from Amazon. And
so last food video we did, we talked about the cat that comes begging. So we have Kenji here. He's down here. He's down here. Ever since we started setting up and he smelled the food, he's been over here. He's been around begging.
Mm-hmm.
Begging, thinking that we're going to give him some. But unfortunately, he's a little too old for us to be giving him regular food anymore. He needs his regular cat food that he can be able to process better. So, baby, what do you got over there as a beverage?
I have water.
I got water too.
Yeah, what else you have over there?
Come on now, you know I like my Korean. Like, you know, I'm like, this
Yeah,
is Korean
it's
beer here.
He
This is the
snuck
good
in
stuff.
the cart earlier. Y'all saw.
This God put this in the cart for me. All right. I was away buying, as you heard in the earlier. I was getting the food.
You got it right. God making you tell the truth. You put it in the cart. Exactly.
But this is the big joint though. I love it. I love this stuff. Asahi beer. 2 quart. 2 liter. Yeah, close to the head.
You gonna drink that whole thing?
Nah. I'm not gonna drink this whole thing. Maybe through the night, through the rest of the night, yeah. But I'm not gonna drink this whole video. I gotta leave room.
Leave room for what?
For the
Food?
food.
Alright. Let's try to get some sauce.
Some sauce. Some of this sauce. Mm-hmm.
And this stuff is spicy, you guys.
The tofu's already like done.
It's cooked, but it's really soft. I don't want to put it in here. I don't want it to disintegrate.
Oh, okay.
So I'd rather have it straight in my pan, my bowl.
Oh.
Alright.
Take a few cubes of those.
No, remember
Yeah,
earlier?
no,
Y'all remember earlier?
No, don't be bringing up old stuff, alright?
He said he don't want to eat no tofu.
Bring up old stuff.
This is how it looks. Am I sure it looks? I don't want to spill the juice. That flavor's gonna be too spicy for me, though. I beg your pardon?
Ooh. Excuse me.
You tried to blind me. Y'all saw that? Let me put my
I did.
glasses on.
Spicy?
I don't taste the spice yet. I have 2 spice things in here, but this broth is good. It's good. Very tasty. Very flavorful. It was a good idea to get these fold noodles. Mm-hmm. Let the tofu sit in the broth to get warm. It's like still a little cool because it was refrigerated.
Yeah, it's hitting.
That below you?
That's where it's at right now.
Yeah.
That's the stuff.
Give me some. Kimchi. Cool ramen. So, I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Thank you for my new subscribers. Thank you for your love and support. Thank you for the comments. I actually go to your guys' page. I actually watch your videos in its entirety, and I comment based on what I've seen in the video. That's how we show support to each other. Our small channels, we need to really help each other out because we all we got right now, and just continue to grind and grow every day. And so you guys know, I'm actually doing a holiday giveaway. I'm gonna do it on the 24th, the last day before the last day of Vlogmas. You're gonna have to watch the video in its entirety. The prize is gonna be given to the person on a first come first serve type basis. So make sure you have your notifications on, because once I drop the video and once you watch it in its entirety, then you'll be eligible for the prize. That's all I'm gonna say. Don't try to skip through the video because you're gonna miss it. Just so you know.
This was a good idea, yeah. Is that done?
So, in one of my other vlogs, I remember I got an Amber Alert, y'all. That was about this girl in the Bronx who supposedly got kidnapped. Come to find out, y'all, it was a lie. She planned it with her friends or her boyfriend or something like that to scare her mother because her mother is too strict or something like that. That's just trifling.
No matter how strict your parent is, that is going above and beyond. And now you just played yourself all over online because that girl is trending now.
She's like, they're comparing her to Jessie Smollett. And she's Honduran. And I think she didn't want to go back to Honduras. You going back now, girl? You are definitely going back now.
Definitely. You can't act right. That's what mama probably saying right now. Oh, you don't know how to act right now. It's over. If anything, her mom probably was like, all right, we're going to go down there for like a little bit. Maybe you can come back or whatever. But
no,
now,
I think they were just going back.
They were just gone?
I think they were just going back.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow.
But it's like still, like, I don't know what's up with this new generation. I would have never done no shit like that to my mom.
Yeah.
I've never even thought about running away because I always knew if I was to leave home, like, it's never gonna be like, nobody's gonna treat you like, if you live in a good home and you're being a fucking spoiled brat, pretty much, you know what I'm saying? Like, nobody's gonna treat you like your own parent.
Right.
Especially in New York in the foster care system. You go from house to house to house to house because all that foster parent care about is that check. You know, back in the day when you used to go in the classifieds to get a job, it used to be full of jobs. Now you go there, it's about this small, and you can either be a stripper or a dancer, entertainer, or a foster parent.
And it's a big advertisement for it, and all over it it says dollar signs, dollar sign, dollar sign, dollar sign, dollar sign.
Mm-hmm.
Foster parent, and it's like, you know, they basically putting it out there like that's what you're basically foster parenting for, not for the fact that you love kids or you couldn't have one, or you know that you would like to take care of a unfortunate child that probably lost their parents.
Because you can force to you adopt. Like if you love the child and you're like, listen, I want to adopt this child.
Right.
You can. You know, but people
don't do that. No. As soon as the child is of age to be an adult, 18 or 19 or something like that, right? they just, they cut them from the program because now you're an adult. You're no longer needed of a guardian or anybody to say that, we take care of them. So you are now out of the program. So they just re-up on new kids. That's all they do.
Kids get taken away from their parents all the time.
Right.
And for the littlest thing. It's like you got to be careful taking your own kids to the doctor. Especially being a new mom. Let's say, Sabrina was like 3 or 4 months, right? And I'm not used to her rolling over, right? She don't roll over yet for whatever reason. And out of nowhere, she just decides to roll over. And she falls off the couch. My first instinct is, oh my God, I'm taking her to the hospital because I don't know what's wrong. She got small bones, she a baby. Even if she didn't cry, I'm going to take her to the emergency room. They'll be, the CPS people will be there and try to interrogate you to see if you ain't abused your child.
Mm-hmm. Say your child had like a small mark. Oh, you hit that kid. Excuse me? Didn't I just say that my child fell from whatever? Like, even back in the day, every parent, or whatever, has had some kind of accident with their child. Their child fell because of,
falling off the bed.
Right. It just happened because, just like she said, most kids probably didn't do a certain thing, so the parent got comfortable with the kid not doing certain things, and then the one day the kid rolls over, or, but, out there, these days, they're just ready to rip your kids from you, especially, color-wise, they'll take your kid real quick.
And not always even that. My friend True Beauty, her daughter has a birthmark on her forehead. She's had it since birth. These doctors are so stupid. They actually said some dumbness about like, oh, what is that? You can clearly see it's a birthmark. Oh, what is this? Did she always have this? It's like...
Really? I don't know.
Yeah. She used to have to deal with that when she was younger. It's like, you can clearly see.
Our Sabrina has a birthmark right here.
Yeah.
Little dot. A little birthmark right around the eye. I wish they would go, what's that? A mole? It's a birthmark, dummy. Like, what do you think? Ooh. Spicy. Ooh.
That's spicy.
Oh, I had the kimchi. Kimchi is spicy.
Kimchi is a little spicy. You guys, this is fucking lit. Yo, this is lit. We watch a lot of we haven't watched K-dramas in a long time, but just like to grill your own meat and have like a soup base with some noodles and some fresh veggies. This is awesome.
This is a real good thing to use for, you and your significant other. Like, we always went to places that did this, but we always like to do it ourselves. And what is it? A lot of these places down there, like downtown in K-Town, they do it for you. They make it like you don't know nothing.
Yeah,
There was
come
only
over and grill it for you.
they grill it right there. Like usually that's how most of your dates, you get a little interaction going on. Your dates can, it's not like you're waiting for it or whatever it is. Especially for like maybe a first date, you can do that too because it's something to do. You can talk, interact with each other, and you cook for each other. That's basically what you're doing. You're cooking for each other, for yourself. Sometimes, I don't know.
Some people don't get the cultural aspect of it because a lot of people that I mention it to, and I'm like, oh, you want to go to the restaurant because you can grill your own stuff. They be like gyukaiku. They'll be like, I gotta grill my own food. It's
right.
Like,
Everybody's
yeah, it's
used
nice.
to...
It's an experience, Pretty much, you're really just cooking your meat. That's what
Right,
it is. You're
right.
just grilling your meat.
You're just
So
grilling
you
the
can
meat.
eat the meat the way you want to eat it. And then
You know, all your side dishes come like this. You know,
and they let you know, like, this meat, you should cook it here at this temperature for this long for, like, its best flavoring or whatever. But you still eat it the way you want it. Like, if you guys wasn't sitting with us, another person can sit there, another person can sit there, and everybody can eat. This soup base actually serves 6 people. That's going in a container and going in the fridge for another time. Like, the tofu's good, right? Tofu's good? Told you.
Alright. Mushroom.
Yeah, eat your nasty phallic shaped mushroom.
Oh, yeah, just like this. Alright.
You trying to kill me!
Leave you in there for a while.
I'm gonna put this in the sauce. Mwah. Now watch it.
Shout outs to those
Steph and
twins.
Tosh, Tay and Lou. What, Baddie Twins?
Yeah, to them having their 100,000.
Yes. Baddie Twins, congratulations. And Flavors by Dame Dash, congratulations. You guys are awesome. I'm so happy for you guys. I really am. That's amazing. I didn't know nothing about the Baddie Twins until Beloved did a collab with them, and I've been a subscriber of theirs ever since. They're hilarious. You know.
Yeah, they are. She lets me watch. She watches them, and
how do
I'm
you,
there watching them.
how
too,
do you
so.
how do you feel watching them? You being a straight man and them being gay.
I mean, they're gay. That has nothing to do with me.
Exactly.
That has nothing to do with me because
they're very
overall,
entertaining, and I know they would be
they're
very
cool.
surprised that they have a straight guy that watches them because they're entertaining. They're very funny. They're very witty.
Right. And it's not like they're out there, doing a whole bunch of that, or doing the most, or at the and nothing's actually right. Nothing's actually directed sexually to me because I'm watching their show, so watching their YouTube,
Well, I'm proud of you guys. I ordered some Flavor by Dame Dash butter sauce. We will be doing another mukbang with that, y'all. We will.
You're getting salt. All right.
Who did I sit there, man? Put some red boom golden green on there. So let sit there and soak. I got it on low because I don't want the juice to come out. These mushrooms hitting though. You guys haven't noticed. You have a ring light.
Right.
It's nice and bright like a diamond. And we're actually sitting on the other couch because the light is more centered over here. So,
Cheers. Down the hatch.
woo.
It's good beer.
Watching my meat.
That's what she said.
I don't know yet. You guys. You see how big that Alaskan king crab was?
Oh,
Man.
I saw that. I had to tell her. I said, "Yo, look at that."
What's the movie where the aliens came? They was already on the Earth, and they came out the ground and they started like zapping people and disintegrating them. They're like dumb shits. You know what I'm talking about?
No.
There was a movie that came out where it's like these alien kind of robots. They shaped kind of like the king crab. They had the long legs and it was going through, like it came out the water out of nowhere, it came out the ground. They started zapping all the people and it was disintegrating. Comment down below if y'all know what I'm talking about.
I don't know. I really don't know.
That's what that looked like to me.
How long ago was this movie?
10 years.
10 years.
If I ask you something about the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, I bet you remember. Or Jamie Foxx show.
Oh, look at it. That stuff I watched. Especially at a young age. That was my lineup when I came home from school.
What show is better? I'm gonna put three. Martin, Fresh Prince, or Jamie Foxx show.
You can't do that one. Like,
Why?
That's three different kinds of like
So?
comedy going on
So?
here.
No matter.
I'm gonna say all of them, but top up there. Fresh Prince.
Hell no. I could not relate to that show at all. Mm-mm.
Yeah, I wish I could relate to it myself. You know, rich uncle, blah blah blah, and the nephew gets there and has to accustom to them, and they have to accustom to the way he does things. Especially the way that, they are.
Y'all may drag me for this, but me relating to the Fresh Prince is like me relating to Saved by the Bell. I like
Saved by the Bell was
Martin.
good too.
I used to watch Saved by the Bell all the time, but I couldn't relate to it.
Right.
Of course, you know who everybody's favorite character was when you're black. Black Lisa. But and after a while, I was like, well, she's kind of corny. Not really like her like that.
Lisa is like one of the girls from Clueless. Like I'm not.
A Stacey Dash character.
Stacey Dash. Who that?
From Clueless. The one that's supposedly Game Dash cousin or something.
Wow. Right. So. A different way to cook it, right?
Yeah, I only put the beef in here because the bulgogi is pre-seasoned. So it don't make sense to put it in the sauce. It's just gonna wash the season away. That was good. It was soaked in a lot of flavor. It was really good. It was really juicy.
Yeah. Yeah, that was a better way to do it. Just checking the time.
Yeah, we gotta go pick up Brina. I would love to have Brina be a part of stuff like this, but she's an active toddler, And in my opinion, this is too dangerous for her to be around. You know, we wouldn't want her to, you know, try to touch it because that's what she would try to do. Or, you know, we're trying to record and, you know, we have to watch her and we don't want her to get hurt. So I'd rather just make something for her and just have her eat it later.
Mm-hmm.
Woo! All I have left is broth, y'all. Broth and some tofu. I'm getting full. I'm getting full. Whew, this was a good meal.
Good for the rest of the night.
Woo! You know, this is when black people take the fish, bite out the fish fry, and they like, that's how I felt.
Good job. Good, man.
This is a wonderful investment piece. Delicious. With some friends over, and we all just grub, have some drinks, have some fun. Afterwards, play some games.
Look at that, bro.
Oh my bro.
Yeah, there we go. Thank y'all.
Did you eat your mushroom?
Wasn't ready. They wasn't ready.
That's star anise. That's a flavor.
It's like that allspice stuff.
It's a flavor like that. The main flavor that you taste, like you never tasted that before, it's that. Smell it. It smells like it.
Oh,
It's
gosh.
strong, right?
It smells like licorice.
Kinda, a little bit. Y'all, my hair look like Jay-Z.
Alright, I'm gonna head out.
Nah, my hair be looking bad lately, y'all, because it's like, it's winter time. I have to wear a hat because I'm outside, so my hair's not getting the moisture that it needs. It's long enough for me to braid. I need to braid it. I took my nails off. I need to get to going. And I can do Sabrina hair too now. Now this broth, I would say it has a good helping of salt in it, but today my salt intake hasn't been a lot. This is enough. You know what I'm saying? So this is what I'm learning. So I have a meal plan that I'm gonna do, but for this particular instance, this is my full caloric value of sodium for today. And to be honest, I don't feel funny. I don't feel weird. I don't feel like my sugar is up. I don't feel like it's okay for now. For now. Make sure you say something you could do. I don't want no
Yeah. Well, she can have the rest of it. Well, she ain't gonna eat all it, but.
more. Brina, loves bacon.
Yeah, bacon's her thing.
And she likes vegetables. She like cucumbers, the mini cucumbers. She likes carrots, the baby carrots. She likes apples. She likes grapes. She likes
She really likes grapes because she can grapes and apples. And every time she come back and she be like, make some more. Come on. She would look at it like, I need more here. She just she walk around the house. She get an apple or some grapes all day.
She like it looked like cucumbers, the yellow things. Is that a type of squash?
Yeah, squash.
That squash, the long one?
Yeah, squash. The yellow? Yeah, squash.
And the green one too?
Yeah, that's squash too, yeah.
She likes that.
Yeah?
Yeah, because it comes in when we get Boston Market, and we get the veggies.
Oh, what, the string beans?
Not string beans. Remember, I brought them and I used the machine and I made the veggie noodles.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
That's squash, right?
Yeah, that's squash. That's squash.
I keep thinking yam or something.
Nah. No yam.
I know it's not a yam. That just keeps coming to my mind. So you guys, this was a very successful mini mukbang. And we're sitting on the love seat style couch. We're not on the wrong one, so you don't see. The bags are different.
And this couch pulls out, so love seat.
You're gross. Your mom's watching this. I'm keeping this in too. Your son's a pervert.
Don't be doing that, man. Don't be sitting there trying to snitch on tell my mama, all right?
You snitching on yourself.
All right? I don't know what she talking about.
She's gonna take up for you anyway. She's like, we didn't know him always told me.
Right, exactly. Yeah, you be dumb. Everything else is for me.
Sheesh. I'm waiting to see him eat this mushroom.
The mushrooms?
Stab it. Stab it and show the camera. You know what it looks like to me? He think I'm saying it because it's phallic looking. No. It looks like when that lady ate them worms. Them big juicy ones, but they got like the brown head. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about. It looks like that.
Yeah. Just needs to cool down.
Yeah, try it. I know. Hurry up! I want to see this.
Really mean this.
That feels good.
You want one?
Yeah, give me a piece. No thanks.
You got a knife?
I don't like how it tastes.
Huh? What you mean? You ain't even get nothing.
I tasted it. I don't like it. Eat the head part. Listen.
Alright.
Done?
Yeah.
Alright, so that concludes our mukbang. Thank you for watching.